Hi! So happy 25,000 followers on Instagram and happy 1 million views to this post. At dahil dyan, magsa-celebrate tayo. You know, I'm not feeling well because my voice sounds like this. However, we are going to celebrate with this. Wait. So this isn't sponsored. I bought it with my own money. So let's see. Let's unbox this one. So just for the celebration purposes. So what are these? Pokpokanism na talaga sa far away. So ito is bumili ako ng mga favorite part ko ng aking Get Dressed With Me. So ayun, let us start. Ano to? TikTok shop ko lang to nabili ha. Oh, so I have here 4 pairs of cutie pie undergarments. So let's start. Nasipon talaga ang taong ito. Grabe, mataba doon. And the cup also. So this is for the black one. Ay, grabe na talaga. And this is the back part. Diba? And this is the sipon. Ito yung bra. Ay, may hulog. So, ganito yung bra. Wait, gusto ko talagang ipakita. Sobrang ganda naman ng bra na ito. So excited. Sobrang sexy. I can't wait. So, wait lang. Ito na siya. Sobrang sexy talaga. Ganyan ang kanyang atake. So, sobrang ang lakas ng dating. Sobrang nakaka-sexy. So, let's try on the other colors. Wait. So, meron din ako ditong white. Sobrang ganda ng white feeling ko. Like, parang ang virgin. Parang virgin coconut oil. Hala, parang ang angelic. Parang mukha akong angel sa white. Diba? Ang nude naman na atake is parang, demure-demuran. Hala, so, sobrang gaganda. Sobrang sexy ng bra na ito. This is okay for the price ha. Check out my yellow basket na lang sa TikTok shop. Dahil dun ko lang siya nabili. And I thought at first hindi siya maganda. But then again, when I get to see them and try them on, ang ganda talaga. Gabi sipon ko gasyagi. So this is for the red one. This is so seductive. This is so nice. Para makita talaga yung nipples mo dito. Pero kailangan mo lang mag-nipple tape. Or like nipple silicone something there if you are very conservative. Pero if you want to be a sexy one, it's okay not to put a nipple tape anymore. Char, kung kagaya ka na akin na parang pokpok nisa. Pakin nyo. Tapos dito ako masaya. So ayun, sobrang seductive. But for me, the most liked by myself. Yung pinakagusto ko sa lahat is yung color white. dahil parang angel talaga ako kapag suot-suot ko ito with this white na panty din. Like, sobrang, kahit sino ka dyan. Diba? So, happy 1 million views and happy 25,000 followers to you, my IG people. Kung sino man kayo, mabuhay kayo hanggat gusto nyo. So, all in all, sobrang sinisipon. So all in all, this is a good purchase and I highly recommend this product. So go to my TikTok shop and bumili na kayo. At akihin nyo na yung mga boyfriend nyo, yung mga asawa nyo with this. Dahil magkakaroon talaga kayo ng panganay kapag makikita nila kayo na suot-suot ito.